Have you ever considered the fact that the Snake original game is way too easy? I mean, come on. You control one snake? What is this? A game for babies? I'm gonna fix that. Let's start by drawing a tile. And bam, beautiful. Although this is not art. To make art, you have to add 3 big brushes, few cracks here and there, and bam, you have art. To make a snake boy, just put eyes on top of a pentagon, add a trail renderer, and you are done. I guess its planet needed him. Okay, this is much better. The snake is now following the cursor, and he is now cuter than a baby otter. As promised, I made 4 snakes. This is James, Robert, Mary, and Jean-François. Everything was working great, but I quickly realized that the game was actually harder than Dark Souls, so I decided to add some little indicators to help the people visualize what input could control the snake at any given point in time. I then spent some time adding some more art, a score system, and some yummy food.
Crunch, crunch, nom 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 nom. Crunch, crunch.
Oh yeah, and the snake becomes bigger every time he eats something. Here is a game over menu and the main menu of the game. I decided to create 4 game modes. Normal for 1 snake, hardcore for 2 snakes, impossible for 3 snakes, and Chuck Norris for 4 snakes. I tried 2 snakes at the same time, and it's definitely my favorite mode, because 3 snakes is getting much harder. And 4 snakes, I'm leaving that for the true gamers.
Oh, snake, snake, snake. Snake, snake, snake. Snake your booty. Snake, snake. Snake.
And finally, I added some collision to provide the player from colliding with himself. Every freaking time. And the very last thing I did was to add a hue shift effect for each game mode, so that they all have their own identity. And that's it, the game is done in 7 hours.
Crunch. 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 Crunch.
Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.